Jaggery is an unrefined natural sugar that is produced without adding any chemicals. More than 70% of the total world jaggery production is done in India. Jaggery is popularly known as the medicinal sugar and is nutritionally comparable with the honey. It has been used as a sweetener in Ayurvedic medicine for 3000 years. As we know, India is exported 5.51 lakh metric ton of jaggery and confectionery product to the world. It offers great scope for jaggery export to more destinations and need good manufacturing practices for sustain the trade in the global market. As we know that India in 2021-22 2797.84 crores of million rupees they have exported.